Dude. It's always a problem. Always something going on. See how this is coming along.
Made a couple of Charmanders.
I made these a while back. I was playing with the different filament, things like that. And it did pretty well for the piggy banks.
Oh, sick.
Yeah. This is nice. This one's PLA filament. This one's this rubber one, which I think is pretty cool.
Huh.
I was just messing with this new filament. But this print is so much smaller, so I have to make smaller designs, which is fine because this one was huge, but
I didn't even notice the Bulbasaur already.
Oh, this one's way better. This is just like the bridge to support any floating areas. Dude, I feel like I've been working on this design forever now, but it needs to get done. I like it a lot.
This is for like the spray nozzles? Or?
Yeah, this is for the spray bottles. Alright, so I kind of changed the design a bit. See how much better it works. Let's get a spray bottle. It's always more adjustments. Like this one is... Why was this one off? Oh, it was just loose. Oh well. Put it for this one. There you go. Damn it. Cracked. It's too short. Oh well. These red ones come out pretty good, which is weird. This is supposed to be a weaker filament, but I feel like stronger than my ABS one. Oh well. But today is a slow day, which is nice. I like slow days. I'm just catching up on payroll pretty much. Try to stay on top of it. So catching up payrolls, entering all the sales, make sure payments are done. This is how I keep track of all my sales. So let's look at like Amaris and like Noes. So I've been doing this since like when I first started the business, but I was using like square pieces of paper, and I would just write literally the customer's name, the job we did, the price they paid, how much they tipped, and how they paid. So it'd be cash, card, Venmo, Cash App, whatever it is, or check, and that's all noted here. And then we write the total at the bottom, how much they tipped, and like obviously who they work with, so you can split the tip, which is nice. And so from here, I have all these cards. I like having physical cards. I mean, there's always a way for like digital, but I realized in the beginning, like, it takes forever for things to load, or there might be issues with technology, whatever it is. And so I like having a physical card because I can see it. I can just flip right through it without having to click on things and click out of things. And then I take all this and I enter it into my Excel sheet, and it totals everything up. So I know how much everybody made per month, how much cash was made, card was made, Venmo, Cash App, checks, things like that. And then for our guys, I give them a 2% bonus in all their sales. So I'm a generous God. And if you aren't keeping track of your sales, you're slacking. You gotta keep track of your sales. You gotta know what's going on. You gotta know how much you're growing per week, per month, per year. And this is what I'm doing now. I gotta catch up. I actually already did most of it right now. I just gotta do payroll. But you know, if you don't know how much you're making, you don't really know your business. And Rob was shampooing the van, and then this customer brought in her interior detail, and it's like filthy.
Yeah,
it was disgusting.
Did you see it?
Yeah, I saw it.
It's bad.
And she spilled like fertilizer liquid chemicals or something. I don't know, but he's working on that.
Are these brushes that you guys are gonna be selling?
Yeah, so we'll be selling those brushes. Let me see those two.
Yeah.
On the table? No, right? Yeah. So there's two different sizes, so we can talk about this. Ugh, forget paperwork. Ugh, it's the worst thing in the world. Alright, so I've actually bought these on Amazon before. Exact same one. exact same brand. There's no brand to it. They're just made in China. So these are for like the wheel wells, which is nice. I might have one over there. Yeah, I have one over there. I bought that on Amazon. And that's what people just do. You guys understand the market. People buy things from China, from Alibaba, have it shipped. Smells like a fucking 99-cent store. Just plastic.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, like a 99-cent store. You know? So we have two different sizes. So for the wheel wells, they're stiff, but not super stiff because they're very flexible. But they're still fairly soft-ish for the wheel wells where you won't scratch it too bad, which is nice. So these can get in the smaller spoke wheels, the bigger spoke wheels, and you clean them nice and good. Oh, hey, what's up, brother?
Of course it starts raining.
By the time we're done, it might be perfect.
I hope so, because it still needs it either way. So
Yeah, it's been a while.
I know. It's been, I think, almost 2 weeks.
No worries.
If not longer, but yeah, the first set of rain just killed it. So
It's all good, bro.
we might as well just get it done.
Yeah, absolutely.
Worst comes to worst, I gotta just bring it back in.
Yeah, for sure. Hey, Rob.
Thank you.
Oh, for sure. You're gonna wait for it, or? Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Wait, Rob left, huh?
Yeah, I think so.
Man, he's just leaving his mess here. Oh, so he's only done the carpets. He hasn't done the leather yet, obviously. So I gotta make some room. Park it over here. I hate getting in a nasty car and the air is blowing. And it just blows all that nasty in your face. Oh my goodness. I was trying to figure out how to lower it. It was already low, but still, the nasty air was blowing in my face, and I was trying to hold my breath. All right, let's pull this beast in. So this truck is the same one where we fucked up the wheels and went to polish it. Yeah. But he's like the coolest dude ever. The badass truck. Look at this traffic jam. Come on inside. Denali HD. High definition. Come join me as we park this baby. Monster. So, David, or the guy before you, my buddy, he was such a rule follower, and so every time he got in a customer's car, he adjusted everything and put on his seatbelt, and we all thought it was the funniest thing, because he would take like 5 minutes just to move the car and we park it. It's like, Dave, let's go, come on. Go, hold on. Puts on the seatbelt, checks the mirror. Like, just fucking drive the car. You're moving like 40 feet. You're not driving on the highway. You don't put on the seatbelt. It would drive me nuts. We always laugh about it. I miss David. He's a funny guy.
You ever seen that Kevin Hart bit where it's like, you ever seen an old dude drive a car and it's like, got
Checking
all the mirrors and shit.
It's like you're driving the plane, checking everything off.
Run security checks.
Yeah.
Checking with the sour.